Hello everyone, today we'll be working on installing the American flag for this Tacoma rear window. Once you receive your package, this is how you'll receive your flag. It will come included with instructions on how to install the flag. Just remember, it will come with the QR code. To scan the QR code, just grab your mobile device, scan the QR code, and you'll receive instructions on how to install the flag. But without further ado, let's get started with the installation video. Before you start installing your flag, we have to make sure that the window itself is clean. It doesn't have any dirt. So with this case, you could use water or any cleaning window product just to wipe down any residue or any dirt that you may have on your window. So just grab any type of cleaning solution. So once you finish cleaning the rear window, make sure you grab your flag and try to align the flag to the center of the window just to make sure you have it where you want to position and install the flag itself. Once you have it in the position that you want it, you would first peel it from one corner first. So make sure when you're peeling, just peel carefully. You don't want to accidentally rip the stars. Alright, once you have a small portion out, align the flag to the window. To where you want it to be installed. Next, grab your squeegee and little by little start squeegeeing in the flag to the window. With the other hand, you could just slowly start removing the backing paper of the flag. And as you're removing the backing paper, squeegee as you go. And remember, just keep in mind, just go slow. Take your time. Alright, once you squeegee all the air out and make sure that there's no air bubbles on the flag itself, carefully start peeling off the transfer tape from one edge. And make sure when you're peeling it, you peel the transfer tape against the flag itself. You don't want to tug it out when you're peeling. So just slowly, little by little, remove the transfer tape. And if you notice that one of the strips or one of the strips isn't sticking well, just grab your squeegee. Just make sure it's adhered to the window. Alright everyone, so that's how the product will look once it's finally installed on your vehicle. If you guys do have any questions, feel free to comment below or send us a message directly to our email or website. With that being said, hope you have a good one, and I'll see you guys on the next video.